Oh, sorry. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you all how to make a basic recipe of Duncan Hines chewy fudge brownies. So, what you're going to need is 2 large eggs, check, 1/4 cup water, and 1.5 cup vegetable oil. So first off, we're going to start by preheating our oven to 350. Alright, so that's ready. I already put my brownie mix in the bowl, and I'm just going to use this to kind of sift it through. Smells good. Alright, next I'm just going to add in my 2 large eggs. Now just mix that together. Oh, just a little. Oh, that looks yummy. Alright, next we're going to add our 1/4 cup of water. Got to fill the 1/4. Kind of mix that together. Teach you how to do it. Sorry, I was just watching Daily Grace. Man, she's my idol. Good night, Sunday. He's gonna teach you how to do something. Okay, now that I got that goodly mixed with that, I'm gonna need 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Okay. 1/2. Yeah, that's the vegetable oil. Now mix it very well. Because if you put it in not mixed, it will come out not mixed. There. Mix it up, brownies. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh god. Oh, that's well mixed. Now take your pan. I don't have spray, so I'm going to use canola oil. Put on a dab of a dab. Take this mixing brush that's labeled good cook, so I hope it makes me look good. Make sure you get the walls of the pan. Yeah. Now, take a spatula labeled good cook. Now pour it slightly. Yeah, oh yeah, slightly. Yep. Sometimes I feel like brownies taste better raw. actually scrape the bowl. This looks great. Alright, try to get it off the edges so it don't burn. Because if it burns, you have to wash it. Next, put your oven mitt on. Then we're gonna open the oven. Oh, there's a pot in there. Oh my god. Okay. Just an easy way to solve this. Open the oven. Okay. Grab the hand. Oh, lean cuisine. Alright. Then you grab this pen. You put it in the oven. Like so. Then you close the oven, of course. Can't cook with it open. Okay. Now, I cook it for 27 minutes. Let's start the timer. Put 26, actually. 25 minutes and 59 seconds left. Well, enjoy your brownies because I have to go and like eat some brownie mix or something. I hope this was helpful. Alright. This is so fun. See you all next week. I'm not sick from salmonella. Only 2 eggs, come on.